Hello everyone, welcome to new class. Today's class is the continuation of the basics of power systems. So we are discussing about the problems related to load factor, then planned use factor, etc. So let us go through the problems. A generating station has a maximum demand of 25 megawatt, a load factor of 60%, a planned capacity factor of 50%, and a planned use factor of 72%. Find the reserve capacity of the plant, the daily energy produced, and the maximum energy that could be produced daily if the plant while running as per schedule were fully loaded. So, here we have to find the reserve capacity of the plant. And what is reserve capacity of plant? It is the difference between plant capacity and maximum demand. So first of all, we have to find the plant capacity. So for that, plant capacity is the ratio of average demand and plant capacity factor. So at first we have to find average load. So for that, here we have given load factor. So load factor is equal to average demand average demand divided by maximum demand. So from this we can calculate average demand. So average demand is equal to load factor into maximum demand. So load factor is 60%, that is 0.6 into maximum demand is 25 megawatt. So we get 15 megawatt as the average demand. Then we can find the plant capacity. So we have plant capacity is equal to average demand divided by plant capacity factor. Plant capacity factor, that is equal to 15 divided by plant capacity factor is given as 0.5. So we get 30 megawatt. Now we can find the reserve capacity. So reserve capacity of plant. Reserve capacity of plant is equal to the difference between plant capacity and maximum demand. So plant capacity minus maximum demand. So plant capacity is 30 megawatt, then minus maximum demand is 25 megawatt. So we get 5 megawatt as the reserve capacity of the plant. Next question is the daily energy produced. So to find the daily energy produced, we have average demand, that is average demand is energy produced divided by hours of use. So we can find daily energy produced equal to average demand into hours. So this is daily, so average demand into 24. And here we get average demand is 15. So 15 into 24, and that is equal to 360 megawatt hour. So daily energy produced is 360 megawatt hour. Next question is the maximum energy that could be produced daily. So to find the maximum energy produced, maximum energy that could be produced is equal to the actual energy produced in a day divided by planned use factor. So from the planned use factor, we can find the maximum energy produced. So maximum energy that could be produced is equal to actual energy produced in a day divided by planned use factor, and that is equal to actual energy produced in a day is 360 megawatt. So 360 megawatt divided by planned use factor is given as 72 percentage, that is 0.72, and that is equal to 500 megawatt hour per day. Let us do another problem. A power station has a maximum demand of 15,000 kilowatt. The annual load factor is 50% and the plant capacity factor is 40%. Determine the reserve capacity of the plant. So to find the reserve capacity, we have to find the plant capacity. So to find the plant capacity, first of all, we have to find the energy generated. So energy generated per annum is equal to maximum demand into load factor into hours. So energy generated per annum is equal to maximum demand into load factor into hours in a year. That is, maximum demand is 15,000, then into load factor is 0.5, then into hours in a year is 8,760. So we get 65.7 into 10 raised to 6 kilowatt hour. Now we can find the plant capacity, that is plant capacity is equal to, from the equation of plant capacity factor, that is units generated or energy generated per annum divided by plant capacity factor into hours in a year. So we get units generated is 65.7 into 10 raised to 6 divided by plant capacity factor is given as 0.4 into hours, 8,760, and we get it as 18,750 kilowatt. Now we can find the reserve capacity. So reserve capacity of the plant is equal to difference between plant capacity and maximum demand. Plant capacity and maximum demand. That is, plant capacity is 18,750 minus maximum demand is 15,000, and that is equal to 3,750 kilowatt. So this is the reserve capacity of the plant. So that is about the problems related to the factors in power system. So thank you for watching the class. If you like the classes, please like, share and subscribe my channel.